Hello children of DAV Model Public School Sita Savangi. This is your Aarti teacher welcomes you all on e-learning class standard 4th subject social science and our topic is the work we do. Children, before this session we have learned about people take up different occupations when they grow up. Most people choose an occupation related with their favorite childhood activity or interest in their parents' occupation. Many people choose an occupation on the basis of special skill, such as painting, singing, designing, or joining the army. The choice of occupation also depends upon the availability of some raw material. In earlier time, farming was the main occupation of the people. Many occupations were depend upon farming, like the blacksmith made tools for the farmer and potter made pots for storing grains. Over a period of time, many farmers gave up farming and migrated to cities and towns in search of jobs. They started working in factories, pulling load and rickshaws, etc. Children, do you know? Many farmers gave up farming due to low income from small land holdings. It was not enough to support their families. When many farmers migrated to cities, their women folk took over the farming, along with their traditional occupation of rearing animal, weaving, pottery, and basket making. These activities supplemented the family income. Children, the availability of raw material plays an important role in the occupation of the people. For example, the life of people of Mizoram revolve around bamboos as it grows in abundance there. They make their houses with bamboo, sit on bamboo chair, eat bamboo sprouts from bamboo bowl with bamboo chopstick. Bamboo's handicrafts are in great demand in India and abroad. So children, you have seen the availability of raw material is also main factor of occupation of people. Okay? Children, in earlier times many jobs were expected to be done either by boys or girls, but now there is no gender specific occupation as girls are flying aeroplane, driving taxis and boys are cooking and designing dresses. So children, search about that girls are women, they are flying aeroplane. This is your assignment. Thank you. Bye.